My name is Sonia Beatriz Lara Gomez, and today I'm going to talk about two common issues or diseases that we can have. The first one is common cold. A cold is a mild bitter that infection of the throat, nose, sinuses, and upper airway. The main symptoms that you can have when you have a cold are sore throat, a blocker or running nose. Also, you sneezing and have a cough. More of the several symptoms are high temperature or fever. Also, you can have headache and it's rarely, but sometimes you can have pain in your muscles. What can you do if you have a common cold? First, you have to rest in a lot, eat and drink healthy food. Try to avoid the spicy food because it will hurt your throat. Also, take painkiller. If you have temperature, drink paracetamol or ibuprofen. It helps a lot. Using descongestant spray to your runny nose. Also, you can soak in menthol sweets and try remedies as gargling salt water. It will help to your throat. The second one is toothache. It refers to pain in and around the teeth and the jaw. That usually occurs because the teeth are decayed. You can feel toothache in many ways. It can be constantly or come or go. If you eating and drinking, it can make the pain worse. What causes toothache? First, the tooth decay. This leads to holes, cavities, forming in the hard surface of the teeth. Can you prevent the toothache? First, the best way to prevent or avoid problems in your teeth are keep your teeth and gums healthy as a possible you can do. How can you do that? First, limit to eat candies because we know that candies are too bad to our teeth if we eat uh, always. Always try to brush your teeth twice a day using toothpaste that contain fluoride. Also, don't forget to brush your gums and your tongue as well. Clean between your teeth using dental floss. And please don't smoke because it makes some dental worse. Also, make sure that you go with your dentist to make a checkup. It is preferably that you do that with the same dentist and try to avoid to go in many dentists because your dentist know your problems with your tooth. To avoid these illness issues, remember that we have to eat healthy food, for example, vegetable, and we have to avoid the spicy food, the fast food because it has too much grassy and it can be disadvantage to our life. And always go to the hospital or the nearly clinic that you have in your hometown because if you wait the problem will be big and maybe you won't found any solution. Now I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of the different medical treatments. One is conventional medicine. The pro about that, I consider that the clinicians work directly with the patient and they care about the healthy and they prevent the different diseases using their knowledge that they had learned. The cons are because they sometimes their interest or their attention aren't kindly and they don't treat patients well because they sometimes are angry and I think that they don't have to be pessimist with the people. The second one is homeopathy. I consider it pro because these medicines are made of natural ingredients like spices. Also, is that it is recommendable healthy for the pregnant woman. Also, it is recommendable for children. Homeopathy doesn't kill the pain for a short period. In fact, it eliminates the root causes of the disease. In cons, we can find the next trouble. For, for example, at the beginning, the medicine doesn't can be potentially effective in the patients. So it's difficult to differentiate a good and professional homeopathic and what is the people that made that like a fake. People cannot depend upon the homeopathic treatment. In acupuncture, I think that advantages are that it provides higher energy levels. After an undergoing session, the people feeling of being energized can be incorporated with traditional treatment like plants. Also, the patients are able to take medication and following the medical advices. Disadvantages we can find that it can cause us infection if the ones that practice that don't clean or sanitize the things that they use in the process, it can provoke an infection in the patients. Also, the acupuncture can assure success in the treatment because many patients had told before that they don't feel uh, beneficial of that. Many research had said that the patient didn't noticeable results when they complete their sessions. Fourth one is herbal therapy. In pro, I consider that because they are easy to grow and free. Many of the most commonly used botanical can be easily grown in the backyard or in containers. Many studies available to prove effectiveness of certain herbal medicines. And for people who use their own herbal teas or medicines, it is a very risk of poisoning because they don't know if these plants are really effectiveness or healthy and they can make a mistake using this plant and for that reason they can uh, take a potion. Last one is a spiritual healing. It is primarily focused on the healing of the soul rather than the physical body. In cons, it is difficult For atheists, believe in that because, as we know, they don't believe in that thing for the reason they cannot experience it successful in that sessions. Okay, teacher, that's all. Thank you for your attention and for watch this video. Have a good day.